Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll show you how to make this quick and easy coaster. So let's get started. So in order to make this coaster I'm going to make a magic ring. So I'll wrap my yarn around my index finger, loosen it a bit, insert my hook, pull through, do a slip knot. So now I will do one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet and one chain across this ring. Let's get started. One single crochet, one chain, single crochet, chain. So I have two single crochets now. This is my third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth. Now I have my chain. So I'm going to tighten this ring. Not tighten it all the way. I will now do a slip stitch in the first single crochet. So this is my first single crochet. I will now chain 3. So I have my chain 3. So what I'll do is in the next chain space I will do 3 double crochets. Now I will chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and in the chain space do 3 double crochets. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, chain space, 2, 3 double crochets. So now chain 1, skip the next single crochet in the chain space, do 3 double crochets. So now in the last chain space I will only do 2 double crochets, as the first 3 chain is considered as the first double crochet. So I will 1, 2, I will slip stitch in the second chain. So this is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. So in the second chain I will do a slip stitch. So now I will chain 3 again for the next row. So this is considered as the first chain. In this chain space I will do 4 double crochets. So I have now 5 double crochets including the beginning chain. I will chain 1. In the next space I will do 5 double crochets. Chain 1, next chain space, 5 double crochets again, chain 1, in order to finish off this round I will chain 1 and I will slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. So for the next row I will chain 5, double crochet in the next chain space, so I will do 7 double crochets this time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will chain 2 and do 7 double crochets again in the next chain space. Chain 2 again. So in my last chain space I will only do 6 double crochets. So I have my 6 double crochets. Now I will slip stitch in the third chain, 1 2 3, I will cut this loop. And weave this end in. So this is how my coaster looks. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.